Hi, this is Vinila. The subject is professional skills for business analysis. The topic is telehealth system. This assignment about designing a phase of telehealth system for Medigood. Currently, company manually manages the appointments. This is a time-consuming process. So, company wants to change manual to automatic for saving time. It has a stakeholder analysis. Steps for stakeholder analysis are listing of stakeholders. In listing of stakeholders, we have in listing of stakeholders, there list down all the stakeholders. And the second one is assigning interest and involvements. They're assigning interest and involves in their system. The last one is the stakeholder types. It has three stakeholder types. So one is the internal stakeholders. This is a part of the system. For example, in this involved, for example, developers, managers, and CEOs. The second one is external stakeholders. In this, it is a non-part of a system. But in this involves the connection with the system. For example, client and the client side managers. And the last one is end users of a system. Stakeholder analysis. In this stakeholder analysis, we have a stakeholder name, role, attitude, authority, power, and influence. For example, CEO. CEO, the role is a stockholder. The attitude is supportive, and authority, power, influence are high level. And coming to the healthcare device providers, when their role is vendors, and their attitude is indifferent, and their authority, power, and influences are low. And the system or product vision statement. It has a problem description. There is a shortage of available healthcare facilities in rural and backward areas. There is need to be a way to utilize all the available healthcare facilities fully. Telehealth system capabilities are booking an appointment, checking availability times, time slots. Doctors are notified of booking appointment, and sending reminders of booked appointment, checking patient history through PMS, and examining remotely with live video and audio, and provide bonus upon successful consultation. And the benefits for and business benefits are increase in the number of patients, verifying patients history, lessening the need to visit the physical place, automatic handling of bonus and payments, providing medical consultation where it is not available. As is process. As is process diagram is a representation of current working system. Current working system. In this diagram, it shows all the current all it explains all the current working systems. And product backlog. Product backlog is the list of particular features required by each user, so that they can perform relevant actions. For example, doctors and medical specialists want to feature or register themselves, so that they can get notifications of availability of patients. Use cases. In use cases, we have some different types. First, patient booking an appointment with the system for consultation. In this diagram, it explains. And the second one is the system notifies about the appointment to the medical specialist. In this diagram, it explains. And the final one is giving bonus to the family doctors. And object classes. The object classes used are a patient, family doctor, medical specialist, appointment, and a patient history. In a patient class, it has a personal details of patients, and in a patient history class, it has a previous history details about the patient. In appointment, it shows the patient booking in medical specialist. It has. Finally, this is a healthcare software that is used to remove definitely of medical specialists in a rural or underdeveloped areas. Patients can be examined remotely by the medical specialist without needing to be physically present at the place. Patients are brought from examination via the help of family doctors who in return get their bonus for the same. The patients get benefited as they can be examined by the medical specialists for their illness, which help of proper treatment and fast recovery. That's it. Thank you.